Now 8.3, this exercise is totally based on the complementary angles. Let us see sine 18 by cos 72. So sine 18. So sine 18, I can write sine 90 minus 72. So see 90 minus 72 is 18 and it is cos 72. Now we have a formula, that is sine 90 minus theta. Okay, so sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So by this complementary formula, we can write sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos 72 degrees by cos 72. So it will become 1. Now next question is tan 26. So tan 26, this is cot 72. Tan 26 and cot 64, this is. Now you see, I can write tan 26 as tan 90 minus 64. And the denominator you don't change, that is cot 64 as it is. This type of questions you change only one of the angle, not two angles. If you get two angles, automatically you will get again the question. So just you use the logic which is depend upon the values. Now see 90 minus theta, we have the formula tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this is complementary formula. Now we can write this as tan 90 minus theta is cot 64 by cot 64. So it will become 1. Now the question is cos 48 minus sin 52. So cos 48 I can write as cos 90 minus 42. See 90 minus 42 is 48. So the second part you don't change, that is sin 42, keep as it is. Now we have a formula cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is complementary formula. Now I can write this as sin, this is theta, it will be sin 42, and here also we have sin 42. Now both will be get cancelled, the answer will become 0. Now here I can write cosec 31. So cosec 31 I can write as cosec 90 minus 59 minus secant 59. See, we have the complementary formula cosec 90 minus theta is secant theta. So this is the complementary formula. Now I can write this as secant 59 minus secant 59. Both are equal and opposite, get cancelled, and answer will become 0. Now question number 2, in this first bit, show that this value is equals to 1. So for this type of questions, you take the LHS part and show that it is finally RHS, right hand side part is 1. Now the LHS part is tan 48 into tan 23 tan 42 into tan 67. You change these two angles. Therefore, first tan 48 I can write 90 minus 42. You see 90 minus 42 is 48. And tan 23 I can write as tan 90 minus 67. So now you keep these two angles as it is, tan 42 and tan 67. Now we have a complementary formula, that is, here I am writing tan 90 minus theta. We have the complementary formula is cot theta. So by using this formula, we can write tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42, and tan 90 minus 67 is cot 67. Now you write these two as it is, that is tan 42 and tan 67. Now you see cot 42 and tan 42, write at one place, cot 42 into tan 42, and similarly cot 67 into tan 67. Okay, as we know that the reciprocal formula is, we have a reciprocal tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. So tan is nothing but 1 by cot theta. So if I write a formula here, previously we discussed tan theta into cot theta, it will become 1. You see the product of tan and cot, you will get 1. So for this here, cot and tan same angles, it will be 1 into cot and tan again here 1. So the answer will become 1. In this question, you take LHS. Solution is LHS part cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Okay, now you change these two. Cos 38 I can write cos 90 minus 52. You see 90 minus 52, it will become 38. And cos 52 I can write cos 90 minus 38. Now the second part you write as it is, that is sin 38 into sin 52. Don't get confusion. Now this is, we have a formula by complementary formula, cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta. So by using this formula, I can write cos 90 minus theta is sin 52 and cos 90 minus theta here sin 38 minus the second part you write as it is 38 and sin 52. You see these both are equal, 50 to 38. So it will be deleted. The answer will become 0. So this is RHS. Therefore finally I got LHS equal to RHS. Therefore hence the given statement, hence it's proved. Now third question is, if tan 2a is cot a minus 18, when 2a is an acute means less than 90 degrees, then find the value of a. So it is very easy, complementary angle. Now the given condition is tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18. Now you write this tan in terms of cot or cot in terms of tan. That is, which is easy, you just will follow. Here this is easy term, so I can write, we have a formula, cot 90 minus a I can write as tan a. This is the formula, basic formula of complementary angle. Therefore let this is, instead of 2a we have a here, so tan 2 minus a, 2a I can write as cot angle 90 minus 2a, I can write cot a minus 18. Simple. Let this is the angle theta. Suppose if the formula, not get confused, use cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Let this is the theta value. You see cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Now you see comparing these two angles, so we can write as left side angle, both are cot here, therefore 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18. Now 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. So I can write 3a is equals to 108. Now a will become 108 by 3. Now you see 3 3 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9, 3 6. Therefore a value is 36 degrees. Now fourth question, if tan A is equals to cot B, prove that A plus B is equals to 90. Now it is given that tan A is equals to cot B. Tan A I can write as cot 90 minus A is equals to cot B. We have a formula, that is, what is the complementary formula here? Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. I used this complementary formula. Now you see both sides we have cot. Compare the angles. Therefore 90 minus A is B. Therefore I can write A plus B is 90. Therefore hence it's proved. Hence proved. Now fifth question is, if secant 4a, it is given secant 4a is cosecant a minus 20. Don't get confusion, where 4a is an acute angle, it is less than 90. Now find the value of a. So secant you write in terms of cosecant. Now you see I can write cosecant 90 minus 4a is cosecant a minus 20. See what we have the formula here. The complementary formula is cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. So cosecant 90 minus this 4a as theta. Now you see both sides you compare the cosecant. Now it will become 90 minus 4a will become a minus 20. Now 90 plus 20 is equals to 5a. Therefore 5a is equals to 110. Now a value will become 55 degrees, which is an acute angle which is less than 90. Now sixth question in this exercise, if a comma b comma c are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that the sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. So it is given triangle ABC. Therefore, in any triangle ABC, the sum of the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always 180 degrees. Now you see what we required, B plus C is at 1 place. That means here I can write A plus B plus C by 2 is 180 by 2. It is 90 degrees. Now you see here I can write A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 will become 90 degrees. Now B plus C by 2 I can write as 90 minus A by 2. You see, now you apply the sine angle. Why? Because we have sine B plus C by 2. Now apply both sides to the sine. Sine of B plus C by 2 will become sine of right side part is 90 minus A by 2. Now we have a complementary formula. Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, sine 90, let this is the theta. Now, instead of sine of 90 minus a by 2, I can write cos a by 2. Therefore, so finally what I got, sine of b plus c by 2, I got the value cos a by 2. Therefore, hence proved. Question number 7. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Now you take the question, that is sine 67 degrees plus cos 75. So we can write sine 67 as 90 minus, you see 90 minus 67 is 3, 2. That means we can write 90 minus 23 degrees as 67 plus cos 75 is cos 90 minus 25. Now we have a formula, that is complementary formula is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta, we have sine theta. Therefore, by using these complementary formulas, we can write sine 90 minus theta is cos 23 degrees plus cos 90 minus is sine 25 degrees. Now you observe it is mentioned angle should be between 0 to 45. So now I got 23 and 25. These are in between 0 to 45. This is the end of this session.